Welcome back to DIY RV and Home with Greg. All right, today we're making a favorite of mine, German pancakes, also known as Dutch babies. So we need to take some room temperature milk. 2/3 of a cup is what I've got here for my recipe. 3 room temperature again eggs. You want both of those at room temperature. It makes the outcome of the pancakes so much better. Next, teaspoon of vanilla. I think I spilled a little extra. I might have 2 in there. 1 teaspoon of salt. And the last ingredient to this, 1/2 cup packed flour. That's it. It's going to be a runny, watery mixture, but so good. Important, you got to do a blend. It's got to be in a blender. Don't use one of them stir sticky things. You know, you got to blend it. And the reason is you want to get some air into this batter. It helps to levitate it. Oh, I'm drooling on it. I might have to go make some more. All right, so what I'm doing is I just took the lid off. I'm stirring it up, making sure that I have no batter clump to the side or anything like that. I want to make sure it's completely incorporated together. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some extra to it. Now, traditional Dutch babies and German pancakes usually are topped with lemon, drizzled over the top, powdered sugar, and also butter. Now look at that. That's looking good. Maybe a little bit more. But you can also use just regular your syrups, or you can make some fruit toppings, whatever you want, however you like it. Now, I preset the oven to temp for 425, and while I was doing that, I had the skillet in there warming up. One of the last things I forgot to tell you was you need 3 teaspoons of butter melted. You can go ahead and pour that into that piping hot skillet. And you can see it is piping hot. Look at that butter just sizzling away. Now, don't let it cool down too much. Grab your batter and go ahead and pour it right on in. And if you watch closely, you can actually see it bubbling. At the bottom of it is already starting to cook. That's what you want. So as soon as you get that done, get your glove back on, because that skillet is hot. Believe me, I used a towel and I burnt myself the other day. Well, a few weeks ago. Now let's get that back into the oven. Close that oven up, and we're going to go ahead and set the timer from anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. It was a little colder, so I went ahead and went 27. And what you'll see is mine come out a little bit darker, but hey, it was still excellent. And I've had to do this a couple times. I've had to do a couple tests on this to make sure I knew what I was doing before I went ahead and made this video. And so in the end, you're going to see a couple different of the ones I've made, along with, in the end, a fruit syrup that I did. I tell you what, any way you want to top it, they're still good. Heck, if you just want to put butter on it and just chew it, pick it up with your fingers and eat it, go right ahead. So now, here is the final of yesterday's, or when I made the video. Now, like I said, this one a little bit darker than the other ones, but still oh so good. I threw butter, lemon juice, and some powdered sugar on it. And that was 2 servings, one for half for my son and half for me. So now I did it in a casserole pan. They said you can do that too. You can see it's a little bit different, but it still come out good. And here is one of my other ones. You can see how it rises up on the edges and got a nice custard kind of consistency in the center. And there it is. That's how I like to eat mine also. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please share, subscribe, and like. And I'll hope to see you on the next video.